Get ready for a culinary adventure that will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about food. We're diving into the world of divisive ingredients, where even the most innocent-looking dishes can spark fierce debates. From sweet potatoes to apple pie, it's time to uncover the secrets behind these seemingly simple recipes. The Great Thanksgiving Divide, uniting families one controversial ingredient at a time. Thanksgiving is a time for family, gratitude, and apparently arguing about food. Imagine a dinner table where the conversation takes an unexpected turn, pitting family members against each other over a single, mysterious ingredient. It's a battle that knows no bounds, from sweet potatoes to apple pie. Round 1. The sweet potato conundrum. Sweet potato casserole, a holiday staple, is at the heart of our first debate. What tops this classic dish? Well, it depends on who you ask and where you're from. Some households swear by marshmallows, while cookbook authors tend to favor pecans. But here's where it gets interesting. Our data reveals that only 20% of recipes call for marshmallows, while over 60% opt for pecans. And get this, some recipes even dare to combine the two. Round 2. Guacamole's secret ingredients. Move over chips and salsa. It's time to talk about guacamole and the unexpected additions that can make or break this beloved dip. From bacon to Old Bay, sour cream to wasabi paste, and even tequila, the possibilities are endless. But the real controversy? Green peas. Yes, you read that right. A simple addition of peas sparked a nationwide debate, uniting Americans from all walks of life. Round 3. Clam chowder's color war. Clam chowder, a classic first course, is not just about taste but also about color. The rivalry between New England and Manhattan clam chowder is as intense as any sports rivalry. New England clam chowder, creamy and white, has a long history dating back to the 1700s. Manhattan clam chowder, on the other hand, is tomato-based and red, popularized by Italian and Portuguese immigrants in the 1800s. This battle has even inspired children's books, such as Chowder Rules, by Anna Crowley Redding. Round 4. Gumbo's tomato dilemma. Ask any cook in Louisiana about tomatoes in gumbo, and you're sure to start a spirited debate. It's a topic that evokes strong emotions and divides opinions. The data shows a nearly even split, with just over half of the recipes calling for tomatoes. But why the controversy? It boils down to cultural traditions and personal preferences. Creole and Cajun cooking, influenced by different historical and cultural factors, offer two distinct approaches to this iconic dish. Round 5. Chili's bean battle. Chili, a hearty dish with a rich history, is another hotbed of controversy. For Texans, true chili con carne means no beans. It's a simple formula: meat, chili peppers, spices, and broth. But for the rest of the country, beans are fair game. From kidney to black, canned to exotic varieties, the options are endless. And for those who dare to go beanless, there's always the risk of facing off against a true Texan in a chili cook-off. Round 6. Lasagna's cottage cheese controversy. Lasagna, a beloved Italian dish, is not immune to ingredient debates. While most recipes call for traditional ricotta or bechamel sauce, a small percentage, 7%, opt for cottage cheese. This seemingly harmless substitution has sparked fierce reactions, with some declaring it a culinary sin. But others argue that cottage cheese offers a time-saving alternative and a unique creamy texture. Round 7. Apple pie's apple mystery. Apple pie, a classic dessert, is often made with a variety of apples. But are all apples created equal? According to experts, the answer is a resounding no. The key lies in finding the right balance of sweetness, tartness, and firmness. Granny Smith apples, with their tart flavor and ability to retain structure, are a popular choice. But don't be alarmed if you come across an appleless apple pie. Applesauce and apple cider are also fair game. As we've seen, the world of food is full of surprises and controversies. So the next time you sit down for a family meal, remember that a little controversy can add spice to your Thanksgiving gathering. After all, it's these unique ingredients and traditions that make our culinary experiences so rich and diverse. Now it's your turn. What's your take on these divisive ingredients? Do you have a strong opinion on any of these dishes? Share your thoughts and let's spark a friendly food debate.